Hello everyone. Welcome to the Akash tutorials. Dear, today we will learn how to use select command and where clause with the select command. So let us start with the lecture. So as you already know, we have WAMP server. So I'm going to open a database which is use CIUD. So there's a table called as stock. So if I want to see the list of all the tables, so I have a command, show tables command. So which tells you or gives you the list of all the tables in a list. So I want to see the records of any particular table. For that I have a select command. So select is the command, and after that I can give the name of the columns. If you want to see the list of all the columns, so you can give star. Select star from, then you have to give the name of the table. So my case, I will go with stock table. So now you can see it will show me the records, all the records of the table stock. So select, after that, if you want to see all the columns, we use this asterisk sign. But if you want to see particular columns, then you can give the name of the columns. Like I want to see the item name, its quantity, then its price, and then you can give from word, keyword, and then after that the name of the table. So it will give you the name of the columns which you have mentioned in the select command and the records of all the tables. So this is how you can see the selective columns also. So it is not necessary that you have to mention the name of the columns in the same order, the way they are in the table. So you can write down the name of the columns in any order. For example, I want to write down quantity first, then I can see the item name, then I want to see the price, then from, and then the name of the table. So semicolon, presenter. So this is how you can see the records the way you want it. Dear, there's one more keyword actually which you can use with the name of the column. For example, suppose I want to see the name of the items only. So select item from stock. So it will show me only the item. So is it item name or it is item model? So what it is? So if you want to elaborate, if you want to describe the name of the column, so you have a keyword select item as item name. So you write down in double quotes item name from stock. So now you can see here at the top, when it will display the record, the heading will be item name. So as is just used for alias name of the column. While displaying the record, it will show you that name which is given with the as keyword. So how it is useful, I can tell you once again. Select star from stock. So let's say I want to see the item, select item, and the total value. So let's say the total value is quantity into price. So I can say quantity into price. So it is the total value. So I can say as total value. So from stock. Okay. So this is how you can give the name to the columns while displaying the result. Along with this, now if you want to filter the records, of course we will make more videos on it. But let me tell you, we can see the selective columns, but if you want to see or if you want to filter the records, then you have to use the where clause for the same. So suppose I want to see the record of item number, where item number is 5005. So I can say select star from stock where. So after this query, now I want to see the desired record. So I will give filter, to filter the record, I will give the where clause. So where, what is the condition? Condition is where item number is 5005. So simply I will write down the column name, and what is the condition? Where item number is equal to 5005. So 5005. So as simple as that. So if you press enter, now you can see it will show you only that record where item number is 5005. Let us take one more example. Suppose I want to see the record of those items where price is more than 14, let's say. So what I'll write down, select star from stock where price, now what is the condition? Where price is more than 14. If you want to include 14, then greater than or equal to. If you do not want, then simply write down greater than 14. So now you can see here, the record which satisfy this condition will only be displayed. So if you want to see the record which contains the price 14 also, so you can put double equals to. So if you know any language, so you know all these comparison and logical operators, so these relational operators, so this will be used in the conditions. So if you have done any language before, so you will be familiar with these kinds of relational operators. So let us give another example. For example, I want to see, let's see all the records first. So now I want to see where the quantity is more than 100. So simply I'll write down select start from stock where quantity is greater than 100. Okay, so it will show you those records. So this is how you can use the where clause. There are so many things which will come with the where clause. There will be logical operators which will do. So there are many more things which I will share with you in the future videos. So I hope you liked today's lecture, and please subscribe my channel if you like and if you want more updates. Thank you very much.